Welcome to FinTALK Academy, powered by Alabama One, the weekly podcast that gives you practical tips and strategies to help educate, empower, and equip you to live a great financial life. Let's talk real-world situations and real-world solutions with your host, Jackie Johnson.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to FinTALK Academy, powered by Alabama One Financial Wellness. I am Jackie Johnson, and today we will talk about insurance. Today, I'm joined by Martin Houston, our Senior Director of Membership Growth, who also oversees Alabama One Insurance. So, Martin, I have a question right off the gate. Just what is insurance bundling? I've heard a lot about it, but not really sure what it is.
Well, the basic definition of bundle, think about combining multiple facets of insurance, whether you bundle auto and home, whether you bundle auto and life or home and life. A lot of times, most people only think auto and home, and that is generally the largest discount in insurance is when you bundle. There are people right now, Jackie, probably paying a couple $100 more per year because they have their auto insurance with one carrier, home with another. Now, it's possible that if you work with an independent agent like Alabama One, bundling isn't the best option because at the basic core, bundling is just combining two different forms of insurance to create one package policy.
I heard you mention in that you talked about discount. So to me, discount means saving money. Does bundling your insurance really save you money?
Absolutely. I mean, literally, as I said, it is probably the single biggest way to save money. So if you are someone who don't trust, there's people out there that they want the insurance that they've seen on television. They want Allstate, or they want State Farm, or they want some of those. And we have some of those carriers as an agency. We have Allstate as one of our carriers. But if you're not so caught up on that, then working with an insurance agency that's an independent agency, they can bundle that for you. And they will, I'm telling you, it's probably easily a couple $100 a year easily based on whether it's a 6-month policy or a 12-month policy. It can be anywhere $200 to $400 easily off of what you're currently paying.
Wow. Sounds like a lot of us need to go back and look at our insurance and see what we have and how we have it put together. You talked a lot about the advantages of bundling. Are there any disadvantages to bundling? And if so, what do we need to look out for?
There's not a lot of disadvantages to it. If you are an engaged shopper, if you're an engaged insured, the disadvantage that I would say you need to watch out for is if you're with one company, if they raise their rates, it's possible that they could raise both their auto and their home rates at the same time because they apply every year to either raise rates or keep rates the same or lower rates. Every year that's happening. And if you bundle and they apply for the same at the same time, or if say that Allstate all of a sudden has a lot of insureds have a lot of wrecks and a lot of things. Well, if you're not paying attention to that, they could also be in an area where there's a bunch of tornadoes. Both of those rates go up. So you just need to make sure that you're watching it. And if you're bundled with the same company and it's not an independent company, you don't have anywhere to go. If you're with an independent company, independent agency will know that that's happening and can shop it with their other carriers for you. And then you don't have to change your agent as well.
Well, as always, you come with so much knowledge about the insurance business and we greatly appreciate it. And so here at Alabama One, we are here to help people as much as we possibly can. If you have any questions, please reach out to Martin Houston, his team, which is Precious Houston, or Pam Jones, and request a free bundling quote. It's really just that easy. And so, Martin, can you just tell our listeners really quick how they can contact you?
Yes, we would love to hear from them. 205-342-0112, 205-342-0112 via the phone. Or they can go to the website, alabamaoneinsurance.com, and they can put all the information in there, and that'll come directly to us, and we'll call them back and get them that hassle-free, no obligation quote.
Great. Well, stay tuned for more insurance tips next week. Thank you for listening and join us next week for more FinTalk.
Thanks for joining us for this session of FinTALK Academy. Be sure to rate, review, and subscribe to our show and visit alabamaone.org/FinTalk for more financial resources. Until next time, take care and we'll talk again next week.